In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce Jira connector fast. We'll move through the Atlassian Marketplace together and start a free trial of the connector for Salesforce and Jira so you can get the integration up and running quickly. Before you begin, make sure you're a Jira administrator with permission to install Marketplace apps and that you're signed into the correct site where you want the app available. Start on your Jira homepage or any project board. In the top navigation, open the Apps menu. From there, choose Explore More Apps to launch the Atlassian Marketplace inside Jira. In the search bar, type Salesforce and press Enter. You'll see a list of results related to Salesforce integrations. Find Connector for Salesforce and Jira and open its listing page. This is the app that bridges issues in Jira with records in Salesforce. On the listing, click the pricing section that shows USD 0 per month. This opens the pricing details so you can confirm the plan and what's included. Now take a moment to scan the Overview tab. It summarizes the core capabilities, typical use cases, and any prerequisites. Next, switch to the Reviews tab to see experiences from other teams. Consistent, recent reviews can help you gauge stability and support quality. Move over to the Privacy and Security tab. Here you'll find information about data handling, compliance, and hosting details. It's important to confirm what data the app can access and where it's processed, especially if your organization has specific security requirements. After that, check the Support tab. You'll see links to documentation and how to reach the vendor if you need help during setup. When you're comfortable with what the app provides, click Try it free. A confirmation window appears showing the site where the Marketplace app will be installed with a trial version. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that the right one is selected. Proceed by clicking Review to continue. You'll be shown the permissions the app is requesting. Click Permissions to read the scopes in detail so you understand exactly what Jira data the app can read or modify. Then open the Data Management section. This explains how data is stored, retained, or deleted, and is useful for compliance reviews. Once you've reviewed those details, go back to the main confirmation view by clicking Back. When you're ready, click Start Free Trial. Jira begins installing the connector for Salesforce and Jira on your site. Installation usually completes in a short time, and you'll see a notification when it's done. After installation, the app becomes available from the Apps menu in Jira. From there, you can begin configuring connections and mappings between Jira issues and Salesforce records, following the vendor's documentation. If you ever need to revisit what the app can access, return to Manage Apps to review permissions and data settings. During the trial, you can test end-to-end flows with a small set of records to validate sync behavior before rolling it out broadly. That's the full process to find the listing, verify details, and start a free trial directly from Jira. By taking a few extra seconds to review Overview, Reviews, Privacy and Security, and Support before installing, you reduce surprises later and set yourself up for a smoother integration experience. If this was helpful, follow along with your own Jira site and repeat these clicks to get the connector installed quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.